Discuss the themes, subject, or central ideas of The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway, or what is Hemingway's attitude towards life and ideas on life in the novel, or is it a novel of the triumph, victory of man or his defeat, or discuss the social and moral, spiritual or religious value standards upheld by Hemingway. Answer. The first major theme of The Old Man and the Sea is that there are always two aspects to everyone's life, positive and negative, or good or bad. If he attends to the positive aspect and is hopeful, he can try to struggle and keep busy. This is what makes society an ongoing, continuing, developing institution or proposition. To explain it, we may look at the life of Santiago's, the old sailor. Manolins, the boy's parents, said that he was slow or most unlucky because he could not catch any fish for many days with the boy. They sent the boy to some other fisherman. Other fishermen made fun of the old man and he was not angry. He did not become hopeless, but started in his boat happily and hopefully to catch a big fish. Santiago went rather too far into the sea and hooked a marlin, a huge fish. This marlin pulled his boat under the water for 3 days. The line across his back rubbed it hard. All along the struggle with the marlin, he remained hopeful and thought of saying his prayers if he caught the fish. His memories of the boy, his baseball tournaments, successful hand wrestling with a Negro, and his dream of the lions coming to the seashore continued to give him inner joy. He at last killed the marlin with his harpoon after a long struggle. The sharks started attacking and eating the flesh of the dead marlin fastened to his boat. He killed one of them, but lost his harpoon. He felt that a man can be destroyed but not killed, and went on fighting them. He dismissed the idea that he had committed a sin in killing the marlin, whom he loved for its bravery. He overcame his doubts through hope and faith, and finally reached Havana with the skeleton of the marlin. Santiago's victory was physical and moral, not defeat in any sense, though his marlin had been badly mutilated by the sharks. His suffering was like Christ's crucifixion, putting to death by nailing the body to a cross, as indicated by his sleeping position at the end. He lay on his bed, face down, his arms straight, and the palms of his hands up. The second theme is that a lonely man, surrounded by dangers and problems, desires to have company and likes to say prayers, especially in old age. This need is the greatest. Santiago was sad in his loneliness as the marlin was pulling his boat, but with time he was happier when he saw a bird, the flying fish, hawks, green turtles, large number of dolphins, and then wild ducks flying against the sky. Thus, looking at and listening to the sounds of the birds and fishes, he felt that no man could be alone on the sea. Again, his remembrance of the boy and the baseball matches and his dreaming of the lions playing together in company like young cats all suggested his desire for human company. He at last turned to his village to have someone to talk to instead of speaking only to him and to the sea. The third theme of the novel is that struggle and effort are more important than success and achievement. After 3 days of tiresome fight with the Marlin, Santiago had to face the fearful sharks. Knowing that his powers were limited against the unlimited number and strength of the sharks, he did the best of which he was capable. He reached the shore with the skeleton of the marlin and met Manolin in a pleasant mood. He discussed with him his plan to go on another voyage to catch another big fish. It showed that he was still a fighter. He believed that man is not made for defeat. To Santiago, life meant effort and struggle. When he was faced with the danger of the sharks, he said, I will fight them until I die. It was, in fact, struggle that energized and kept him alive. Though death and destruction are certain, man should choose the little time that he has in working, fighting, and struggling for his aims. Thus only can life continue from one generation to another to the benefit of all, those in the struggle and those outside it.
If you like the video, subscribe our channel and appreciate us. For new videos, press bell and get notifications. Like, share and comment below for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching.